Welcome to this walk around video today. We do have this lovely Italian racing red Jaguar F-Pace. Does have quite a few lovely bits of spec on this car. You do get the upgraded 22-inch alloy wheels with the red brake calipers, the sliding panoramic sunroof, which I'll show you once we go inside. This car does come with the electrically deployable towbar. So if we take a look inside, you do have the full black leather interior. And as I mentioned there, you do have the sliding panoramic sunroof. We move into the front. You do get heated electric sport seats. As you can see, you get the lovely leather steering wheel with the paddle shifts, which does have your cruise control functions on. Does come equipped with the Meridian sound system as standard. You do have other features such as keyless entry. The car has covered just over 93,000 miles. And you do of course get satellite navigation and your rear view camera displayed on there. So there it is, our 66 registration Jaguar F-Pace. If you've got any more questions on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 11 33. Thank you.